Hello everyone, let's make some ghee today. So I bought some grass-fed unsalted butter. You can use whatever butter you want. I find unsalted works best, and I just like to use organic and grass-fed. So get out your butter, get out your pot, and I've got this tool here and just some things over here for later. All right, so first of all, let's get started and let's get the butter in the pot. Okay, the butter is in there and I turned it up to about medium heat. This is a new stove, so I have not made ghee on this stove yet. So I know you shouldn't have the heat too high or too low. So let's get this melting and bring it up to a nice gentle simmer. It's starting to bubble, so do not walk away from this, and I've kind of been stirring it right now a little bit, and we still got to bring it up to a bit more of a simmer. Okay, we've got a good simmer happening here. As you can see, it's already starting to separate the solids, and right now I don't like dig to the bottom with my spoon. Now I'm just kind of like stirring the top part a little bit off and on like that and letting it do its work. I love ghee. I love cooking with it. I love the flavor. It's amazing. Okay, I shall return. It's 11:11. This is looking really good. Don't walk away. You don't want it to burn. And I just keep stirring a little bit on the top as it gradually will be pulling all that solids to the bottom. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. Could be 15-20 minutes, but I will let you know as we go along. Okay, here's what we're looking like now. I did turn my stove down just a notch, and I'm continuing to just do a little bit of a stir on the top while it's doing what it's got to do. And our time is... Okay, my friends, this is looking really good. I'm starting to see some of the solids at the bottom. So now this is when you want to be watching carefully. I do like a nutty flavored ghee, so I'm going to let it go, where it gets a little bit darker. But anyways, we're not quite there yet, and our time is 11:20. Okay, so we're getting some more foam here, and I believe that's just, it was clear, but I believe it's just more milk solids forming. And I mean, it's getting quite dark. I can't even see the color anymore underneath, but it was getting dark, so I want to be really careful not to burn it. And our time is now... Okay, this is good. Just be patient and trust the process. All right, now we're going to strain it. Now mine got a little darker than I wanted, so it's going to be quite nutty. But anyways, that's okay. It'll still be good. So I'm going to take the pot, pour it through this strainer into my large measuring cup. You can take the heat. Yeah, as you can see, those got pretty dark, and my ghee is a lot darker than I normally make it, but it's still going to be good. Usually mine's a lot like lighter golden than that. And then next I just let it cool a little bit, and then I'm going to actually... 1 minute. I'm going to pour it into that jar, and then I'm going to let it sit or put it in the fridge so it can solidify up. All right, I'm just pouring it into the jar. There we go. It made that much. The finished product of ghee. I can I say, it's a little darker than I normally like, but it'll still be good.